Blood cells. We will be talking about blood cells in this slide. The body's major fluid tissue, blood, consists of various formed elements or blood cells suspended in a fluid called plasma. Carriage of nutrients to different cells, maintenance of pH of blood, maintenance of ionic concentration, that is sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, etc. of blood, defense mechanism of body, and coagulation. These are some functions of blood in our body. Red blood cells, RBCs, are biconcave shape. RBCs transport oxygen and carbon dioxide to and from body tissues. RBCs contain hemoglobin. Mature RBCs do not contain nucleus. An average lifespan of RBCs is 120 days.
Explain the value.
Okay. White blood cells, one of the cells the body makes to help fight infections. 5 types of WBCs participate in the body's defense and immune system: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes, and lymphocytes. These are the first defense of our body. We can identify them by the nucleus and the shapes of the nucleus inside the cells. This helps us to know the count of the WBCs. Lymphocytes. They are responsible for defense of the body as they form antibodies. Antibodies are generated against the germs which attack our body. They form some antigens, and lymphocytes form antibodies, which gives the defense system to our body. This is how lymphocytes help us to fight diseases. Eosinophil, as this count is very much increased in all allergic conditions when histamine is formed, therefore their role is antihistamine. Allergy causes certain reactions in our body, and histamine reduces those reactions. That is how eosinophils help us to fight against allergic conditions. These are almost 1 to 2% in our body. Basophils are much increased in chronic doubtful cases. The inflammatory response is one of the earliest indicators that something is invading the body. Inflammation means that the basophils or the white blood cells, they come together at a particular area of the body and they form a redness kind of a thing. So basophils help us to understand that if our body has been attacked by germs. Monocytes are the types of WBCs that fight against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. They are mainly phagocytic in nature, produced in the lymph. They help to engulf the bacteria, viruses, and fungi and protect our body from diseases. Neutrophils. These phagocytic cells engulf, ingest, and digest foreign materials. They are just like amoeba. They are shapeless and they can change their shape according to what they are engulfing. This also forms the second line of defense against the foreign attack and help us to prevent from diseases. This is all about